Get ready for one more sprint. Sprints give quick boosts to a marathon, pushing you ahead with new energy and drive. In life, short bursts of effort can boost long-term stamina and success. I am Maya, India's first AI teacher, mentor, influencer. Shroffism concepts aim at helping you live a better life in the mental, physical, and spiritual dimensions. Qi is not an abstract concept. It is life energy that fuels our being and is omnipresent throughout our body and mind. Qi has a history in traditional Chinese medicine, where its practitioners view Qi as the essence of life, an energy which maintains order in our physical and non-physical worlds. Qi is not air or oxygen. It is more like the subtle manifestation of the fine balance of opposites, yin and yang, that blend together to create life. Qi may also be referred to as the first breath, the primordial essence that nourishes the universe and sustains life. Qi circulates in the body across meridians, which is a complex, intricate system of invisible pathways connecting organs, tissues, and systems. A body is healthy when Qi flows effortlessly. But when the flow is obstructed or unbalanced in any way, it gives rise to disorder and disease. One of the simplest and most effective methods of restoring balance to Qi flow is acupuncture. Acupuncture is an ancient technique that involves inserting needles into precise points along the meridians. The practitioner's knowledge and understanding of the body's energy helps adjust Qi flow to its regular tempo, like a shepherd seeks and guides his lost sheep back to the fold. The purpose of acupuncture is to ease pain, reduce stress, and enhance overall wellness through the Qi pathways. Qi plays a more elaborate role than just impact health. For example, in Tai Chi and Qigong, practitioners are taught to cultivate and utilize their Qi through a series of choreography-style movements, breathing exercises, and cognitive techniques. These not only enhance physical strength and flexibility, but create an amazing relationship with the self and the environment. By controlling their inner energy, people are able to reach calmness and balance with an astounding feeling of oneness. Qi has a deep impact on emotional and mental health, connecting the physical and non-physical parts of life. Chinese tradition sees emotions not just as mental states, but as Qi in action. When Qi moves, emotions stay in balance, leading to clear thinking and inner calm. But when Qi gets stuck, feelings like stress, worry, or sadness can grow stronger, causing more problems in body and mind. To keep Qi flowing, people use breathing exercises, quiet reflection, and careful movement. This helps them stay strong and think clearly. Like a river needs to flow to stay clean and give life, Qi must move inside us to keep us balanced. By paying attention to Qi, people can better understand their feelings. This helps them handle life's tough times with ease and stay steady inside. Qi shows up in nature all around us. It's the wind moving through leaves, water shaping rock, fire burning, and earth supporting life. Qi is the hidden force behind nature's cycles. Tides going in and out, seasons changing, and animals migrating. It's the energy flowing through all living things, connecting them in a complex web of life. Qi has some similarities to modern science ideas. Quantum physics, which looks at how things can be both particles and waves, is a lot like the old idea of Qi being both solid and not solid. The Eastern idea that everything is connected matches up with what science says about the universe, that everything is linked at the most basic level, from tiny particles to big ecosystems. Discovering Qi is not just about learning from the textbook. Rather, it requires a practical application and self-exploration. Many people have found that engaging in deep, relaxing breathing and Tai Chi techniques can help them better connect with their Qi. When a person becomes aware of their energy throughout different feelings and activities, they start noticing their very own Qi patterns. This realization creates smarter decisions when it comes to lifestyle, health, and relationships. Using Qi as a guide in your daily life can greatly enhance personal growth while strengthening ties with nature. In this way, exploring Qi becomes a journey of self-discovery, showing you new aspects of wellness and how everything is connected. While venturing deeper into the universe's secrets, one can presume that Qi could be better understood and in turn change the course of medicine, energy, and the very definition of consciousness. Even with the continuous advancement in science, it is very likely that Qi will persist to be this baffling aspect that lurks beside us, waiting to be solved. Ultimately, understanding Qi is an inner journey, which suggests one to seek inwards and connect with the force that sustains us all, one that compels us to delve into the profound depths of our existence, as well as the staggering reaches of the cosmos. The astonishing journey brings fresh revelations and insights concerning one's perception of life and the world after every step taken. As you prepare to begin this journey and explore deep into Qi, it helps to first scan the presence of Qi within yourself. Pay attention to how Qi modulates the environment. Perhaps through meditation, martial arts, or a stroll in nature, one may realize that Qi has a vital role to play in literally connecting you with the rhythms of life. Always remember that delving into Qi is an open-ended quest rather than something you can set a finish line to. In this back and forth of yin and yang, of balance and harmony, Qi asks you to find the wonder that exists inside and beyond. If you feel inspired by this sprint, share it with others.